Whoa.
Okay, you're gonna go hunt eggs for everybody, okay?
Okay.
Go get them.
It's got
All right.
one more.
There are a lot of them. You gotta find them. What color is that one? Blue. What color is that one? All right, good job. Keep looking.
Okay.
There are a lot of them. Keep looking. Don't step on it. Good job. You just gotta keep looking.
There are not any more down this way.
You gotta keep looking. They're around.
There's one more egg.
What color was that one?
Orange.
Orange, good job. Okay, keep looking. They're in the yard. They're not across the street. Keep looking, there are more.
Okay.
Gotta find them.
Oh.
What's that?
A pink chicken.
What, you left the chicken.
Steph, you missed something.
You left the chicken.
You fixed it?
There's a chicken.
Yep.
Okay, gotta keep looking. There's more. You missed them.
Dude,
Come here.
there's
You missed
more,
one.
there's one more right around here.
You missed it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Right here.
What color is that one?
Blue.
So what are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing?
We'll go pick.
Okay, we're gonna go find more. Okay, let's go find more. He's gonna miss all of these. You need to look over here, dude. Seth! Seth! Come on over here.
Oh, yellow. Let me get it.
Did he get the
Oh, no.
confetti eggs?
I got one of them.
Okay.
I think maybe got both of them. There's one.
Watch the cactus. Okay, keep going. You got a couple more. Look inside things. Look inside the vases.
Pieces? There are pieces.
Well, look near the rocks.
They're not here.
Of course they are. You just need to look.
Okay.
Hey, Seth, I see one over here.
Is this the last one?
I think so. Well, almost the last one.
Hey,
Huh?
there's one there.
Oh.
Okay.
Hey, dude.
Huh?
Put that down for a second, okay? Okay, hey, I got one more for you, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Ah!